this is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your June romance and love reading. So friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Winds Tarot, friends. Please do subscribe our channel. It really helps me to get good grades from YouTube. So friends, please do subscribe, like this video, share, and thank you so much if you have already done so. Thank you so much. Many angel blessings. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is for the month of June, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate and help you out, friends. Also friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwendstarot.com. So I also be pulling some extra messages from here. I have my own personal cards here. So let's take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful Queen of Swords. So pretty. Option 2, the Empress. Wow, beautiful. Option 3, the Queen of Rods. Option 4, the High Priestess. This is beautiful. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip and watch the number you have chosen. You can also choose more than one pile. Feel free to choose more than one pile. And you can pause the video and choose your option if you need more time, friends. You can always do that. So let's see. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful Queen of Swords, how your month of June will be, love, romance, whether you are single, coupled, or whether, whatever your situation, let's see what is going to happen for love in the month of June. It's like whenever you watch from then till the next 1 month, okay? I feel messages are coming your way. I feel a lot of energy. I feel like you are attracting something. You see, like, I think you are attracting something. Let's see your romance angels messages. We're gonna look in the end. Yeah, there are 2 of them for you. Let's see your cards. Ooh, the Knight of Pentacles, straight off. 2 of Pentacles, the Justice. Oh my God. The Star. Wow, I'm gonna arrange it like this. The Star, the 2 of Pentacles, Justice, Knight of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, the 8 of Cups. Oh my God, you have a lot of similar energy. 8. Wow. And the Healer of Ages, number 51, and Action, number 17. Oh my God, friends, I feel in the month of June you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, friends, or you could be yourself Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or so the person who is coming towards you or is important to you in the month of June is Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I definitely feel it is very strong energy. Someone has walked away from you. Someone has walked away from you, or you have walked away from that person, and there is a lot of energy of karma, a lot of past life energy here. I feel something is going on. Something is going on. It feels like this person and you are not in contact right now, or there is an emotional distance. You both are from different countries, you both are from different cities. If you are single, this is a new person coming into your life. Could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel if you already know this person, because some of you already know this person and you have walked away or they have walked away, and there is a lot of disappointment, a lot of heartache in this relationship, but I feel I feel this person hasn't forgotten you, they want to come towards you. And in the month of June, there is a chance this person will travel towards you, or they want to meet you, they will contact you. I feel this person is constantly going in loops about you. They see you as a wish come true, they see you as their perfect partner. You also see this relationship as a perfect partnership, but something is blocking this connection right now. I think it's been a long staying, it's this relationship. If you already know this person, this has been a stuck relationship since ages, maybe a year, 2 year, 3 year. You are stuck with this person and it's frustrating because neither it is moving on, neither it's coming. I feel you will still be dealing with this person in the month of June. If you are single, you need to walk away from some past hurts and pain because your wishes are going to come true, friends. In the month of June, you are going to attract this beautiful connection, this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. But I feel there you could attract or find this person through your work, through your college, through your class, or some sort of a hobby class, where you work, office, education, libraries, you know. For others, I feel you already know this person, and in the month of June, you will be trying. I feel this person and is trying. This person is trying to perfect themselves, and you and this person will try to make this relationship work in the month of June. I think they need to fix this relationship, or you both need to work on this relationship. I think your person is not sharing their emotions right now, but there is a chance in the month of June or in 1 month, this person is going to share something. They will have an epiphany, some sort of a realization, some sort of a awakening. You have a very strong connection with this person. You both could be artists, musicians, or each other's inspiration. I think this is a very gifted and blessed connection, but it has its challenges. I feel justice is going to happen. If you are really single and has been single since a long, long time, you are going to find a relationship, or maybe someone who wants to talk to you and work on building a relationship, maybe a friendship, or a person you work with could turn into a lover, or you may develop feelings for that person. If you already know this person, some sort of a justice or balance is going to come into this situation in the month of June. I also feel this person, if you know them, they have not forgotten you. They want to come towards you, they want to rush towards you. Number 17, this is a highly karmic relationship. There is past life karma, there is love, there is affection. This person wants to come towards you, grab you, and start, be romantic with you, and, take you for long drives and something like that. There is a movement or action that is going to happen in this connection. I feel if you are single, this person will be very good looking. Very, very good looking. The person you are attracting. They are very beautiful. They are very gifted. I think you are also very gifted. Both of you are either spiritually connected, or you are musically, creatively connected. You are both healers in some way. For others, I feel if you already know this person, whether as an ex-husband, wife, lover, ex-lover, twin flame, I feel this person's heart is shifting. Their heart is awakening. Something is healing in this connection, and it will happen in the month of June. I think it will be a slow month for you, but something is shifting. I will take a clarifier. Let me just grab my deck. Alrighty. Sorry, friends. Very sorry. The deck was quite away. So what will happen for the month of June for option number 1? For love, what will happen for option number 1? See, women holding a heart, number 44. This is a divine connection, friends. Love is coming your way. Love will be shown to you. Something will be revealed to you regarding your love life. If you are single and love is not there in your life, something will be shown to you how you can manifest and attract more love. I feel someone is keeping their feelings to themselves. They will be showing their heart out to you. This is a great month for you, friends. I think that says everything. Someone is trying to strategize to bring you back in the month of June, or you are trying to strategize your love life and and attract this person. Let's see your romance angels messages. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you heal your parents, your heal or as you forgive your parents. I definitely feel some issues are going on in this relationship or your love life. If you are single, you need to forgive the past issues. If you are coupled or with a partner or waiting for a lover to return, something needs to heal in this connection, and in June you will be working on healing it. Something is healing, friends. Something is healing. Rest assured. You have number 44. So angels are working on this connection. And romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. I told you, friends, someone definitely wants to kiss you, entice you, seduce you, love you. Oh my god. You need to tell me, shall I do that reading? You know, who is lusting after you? I used to do that reading earlier. You let me know if you want that reading in the comment section, friends. Let's pull, they are juicy readings. And let's pull a card for how your month of June will be. Twin flames mirror like love mirrors joy. So definitely you're dealing with a twin flame in the month of June, or your twin flame. If you are single, you could be meeting a very significant partner or partnership, or you could be feeling that love. Even if there is no person in your life, you will feel that connection, you know, that bubbling of love. Because you want it, you will get it, you know. Let's see one more. What is this? Sing songs of praise, let gratitude fill your days. So absolutely, friends, I think someone wants to sing a song for you this month. Someone wants to tell you how grateful they have you in their life. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. I like it. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, let's see how your month of June will be for love. Let's see that. For those who chose this beautiful Empress, let's see. I think you are gorgeous, pile number 2. You are beautiful, you are divine feminine or masculine, and you are in your power. Wow, this month you are very much in your power, whether you are a male or a female. This is your romance angels message. We're gonna look at the end. We'll also have my own cards. We're gonna look at that also. So your cards are 5 of Swords, the 6 of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the 10 of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, the 10 of Swords, Wands, sorry, the 10 of Wands. Wow. So you have 2 tens. This is interesting. The 10 of Cups, the 10 of Wands, the Sun. That's beautiful. And the Totu Spirit, number 32. I feel, friends, you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be any sun signs, but if you are this sun sign, this reading is more strong for you. So it is Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person this month, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this month. I feel your focus is not much on love this month. It is like someone has hurt you in the past, and I think a lot of people have hurt you in the past. Pile number two. Someone has hurt you, or maybe two, three people have hurt you in the past. I feel a relation, a friendship, a friend has also hurt you, backstabbed you, or kept some truth from you. You feel sad about it. You feel sad. And I also feel someone is lying to you or cheating to you, like in the past they did, or currently, and you kind of know it. You know that. You know that. That someone loves you, but they are not telling you. Someone likes you, but they are not telling you this. You are aware of it. You are aware of it. This month, in the month of June, friends, your intuition and your power will be super, super high. Up, whether you are a man or a female, your power is really high and your intuition is very strong. You are in a very, very strong position. But your focus is mainly on work, on career, rather than on love, because I think you already know what's going on in your love life. There is a person who is hiding something from you. There is a friend who has hurted you, and there is a lover or a person, maybe, you know. Okay, let's just break it down. If you are single, see you focusing more on yourself, on your career, on breakthroughs. I feel like you want to travel, you want to change your house or locality, you want your career to expand. You want that career to expand and take you to places. So your focus is on work mostly, and you already know what you want. So even though people will come to you, if you are single, you are going to meet a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but your focus will be on work. And if they are lying or cheating to you, you will pick it up. You will pick it up like this, and you won't be interested. So any BS, if anybody brings, you are like, nah, not interested. If anybody wants to offer you anything less than 10 of cups of happiness, you are not interested this month, because you are powerful. You are holding the ball in your court. You have everything towards you. Work is in favor, luck is with you, so your power is also very strong. I feel someone from the past, if you had dated or been in a relationship with the from the past, you know someone is hiding truths. Someone likes you, someone loves you, but they are not telling you. Could be a twin flame, could be a soulmate, could be an ex-husband wife, could be a current husband or wife. You are waiting for a breakthrough. Some of you could be removing people from your life this month. So your focus is on self-love. This month in June, you are focusing on self-love, on career, on your money, who can offer you this 10 of cups of happiness, and who is making your life tough. I feel you had been through a lot of challenges in the past, and now you don't want to deal with it anymore, because you know you have done your work, you deserve the best, and some sort of a victory is going to come your way. I feel it is not just in career, but also in yourself. Your power, your attraction will grow. If you are manifesting a lover or a wedding or a husband or wife, it is coming your way. You are on the right path, and you will meet people. If you are single, you will meet new people this month or connect with some people. But if they are not if they are lying, cheating, or not giving you what you want, you won't wait. You are like, bye bye, bye bye. You won't even say bye, I think. You are like, nah, I'm done. It's very strong. It's a very strong energy. I also feel a powerful new beginning is starting for you, and in the month of June. So it is your month of yourself. You will focus on yourself, your love, your attention, how beautiful you are, self-care. If you are a woman, if you are a man, you are taking your time to love yourself, to indulge in your health, fitness, hair, skincare, all those things, and also learning. You want to learn something more, you want to explore. You are if And some of you, if you are married, the issue is like you want to expand your family or get married. I think the main issue with this pile is you want to get married. You want a solid commitment or someone who is an equal match. Because you are the emperor. If you are a man, you want the wife. You don't want a girlfriend now. You are done with it. You are done with it. You are like, nah. Or if even if she's not your wife type, you want someone who is stable and who offers you a complete, a relationship, not just anything less. Because you are in the emperor and empress, so your main focus is yourself, your money, your success, your career, and also connecting with spirit. So door to spirit, a lot of messages are coming to you this month. These are important messages. Something will be shown to you how you can manifest a new lover or that marriage or that baby you want. Something will be revealed to you. Something will be revealed. And some of you, by the end of this month or by in the next 2 or 3 months, you could actually be finding the one you are manifesting, like that dream lover, husband or wife. You could be finding that person. Let's see one extra card for you, pile number 2. Wow, the thinking man. So there is definitely someone coming towards you, and I think you are going to meet this person. But if you already know a person who is a very thoughtful person, who is a thinker, who is very intelligent, who is very brave, this person could also be from a royal family or is a rich person, or you are very rich. I feel if you already know this person, you know something about them that they don't know. Like they are hiding the truth, you know that. They love you, they are not telling you, you know that. You are very intuitive this month, friends. It's gonna be a tough task for others to impress you. I think this person will have to try hard to get you. If she's a woman, she has to try very hard to get you, because our male friends, our male viewers, they are also very, very picky now. Any other message? Strategy number 21. So I think you will be working on your career rather than on relationships. Your focus is like, yeah, I am the first thing. I am my priority now. I think someone wants to write or message you. Some sort of a message will come in the month of June for you, so that you can look forward. And I think angel messages will also be coming. The world, see, again a breakthrough is coming, a new start is coming. Number 29, 30, 31, 26, 25 are important. I feel a breakthrough is definitely coming for your way, but I think the love life will progress by next month rather than this month. Your focus this month is on yourself. So let's see your romance angels messages quickly. Trust, this situation is calling for you to have faith. Definitely, if you are single, trust and work upon yourself. Your manifestations are working. There is a thinking man coming for you, or they may already be around you. And soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. You are going to meet someone, or someone may return from your past, and you need to trust them. I feel you don't trust this person. I told you there are people around you, but you know them like this, like, yeah, I know you, baby. I know you. I know your game, baby. I think you should, I won't say you should give them a second chance, because this is a general reading. I would say you should focus on self-love this month at least, and see how things go, because you will know if someone is interested. Even if you say no, they will remain interested, right? So let's see let's see. You should wait for spirit. You should wait for spirit to give you the final aha signs. You should wait for spirit to give you the signs. There will be people coming, but your focus is on yourself. For pile number 2, fear is false evidence appearing real. So there may be, I think, if you are really single, you are doubting you can attract love. You can attract love. It is already yours. You don't need to do anything else. Pile number 2, hope is in the unseen light. Hope is the unseen light. Hope for the best. So definitely your hopes will be restored regarding your love life, friends. and this is going to be a great month for you. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. This is it for now. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you, or if you want to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, let's see this beautiful Queen of Rods. I feel a very passionate connection is coming towards you. A very, very passionate connection. You are feeling very, very passionate, sexy, very sassy, man or a woman. You are like, wow. So these are your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. Your cards are Six of Pentacles. Ooh, Ace of Cups. Ooh la la. The Page of Cups. Beautiful. The Queen of Cups. Wow. The Magician. And the Five of Cups. You have the first chakra Archangel Michael, number 35, and number 36, second chakra Archangel Ariel. I feel this is a very emotional month for you. You are going to get some emotional clarity, and your emotions are going to get very strong, very refined, and very passionate. Your passions are going to increase, whether you are single, coupled, married. This is a general theme for you, like your passions, your emotions are rising. Your passions are here right now, but by the month ends it will be here. You feel like, oh my god. I definitely feel some of you. Okay, let's talk about if you are single. You had been trying to manifest or attract a love relationship into your life from a very long time, but you had been disappointed. Every time you try to attract new love, it keeps going, misfires, misfires. You are attracting people who are not right for you, or things just are not working for you in your love life. I feel some of you are also feeling tired, because if you are single, you had been giving a lot, but no one supportive is coming towards you. So you are a bit disappointed. You start the month feeling disappointed in love and feeling like, nah, love isn't for me. I can't do it. It just won't happen for me. I have tried it. I have tried my luck, doesn't work. Doesn't even come towards my way. I feel that's going to change, friends. That is going to change your way, because Ace of Cups of love is coming your way, and it is a gift or opportunity coming from the universe for you. This is not just something you can attract, or it is rather something being offered to you by the universe. This beautiful gift of love is coming towards you. And why it is coming? Because you have manifested, friends. You have manifested since a very, very long time. You have worked on yourself, on your manifestations, on being a strong person. You have faced all challenges, the good, the bad. You have faced all the hardships, and now you are ready to attract this beautiful life partner or this love. I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be coming your way, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. And it will be a perfect partnership for you. It will be a partnership where they give to you, love you, support you. I feel this month you may not see the actual relationship starting, but you may meet the person this month. If you are single, this was for the single people. So for others, if you are married, if you are married, maybe you are going through some relationship issues. There has been disappointments in love. There is no passion or a lack of emotion in your marriage. I feel some other people are affecting your marriage. I think you will find a relief. You will find a relief, and this Ace of Cups will happen for you. For others, I feel there is a person, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That person, someone has left you or disappointed you. I feel that person is coming towards you. So I feel this relationship that is coming from the past, there is some age gap, some emotional difference between you both. One person is mature, one is not. I feel that is going to shift. There is going to be some sort of an offer from this past person, or some sort of a balancing of things will happen. I feel someone is trying to manifest you or win you back in their life. I also feel some of you could be releasing negative patterns, negative thoughts, negative beliefs, or your partner could be breaking away people, or removing people or situations which are stopping them from coming towards you. I feel you are very determined to change your love life in the month of June. You are very strong, and if someone was having some anxiety, some depression, or maybe if some third party was affecting your love life, I think that will heal, or you will create a distance between the third party or the blocks in your love life. I definitely feel someone has a lot of love for you, and they are going to show you this love, this offer. And definitely I feel if you are single, there is a chance of new awakening of love. You are manifesting and attracting a lot of people, a strong emotional connection is coming towards you, but it may need I feel the challenge is there in this month for you. You still need to cut away some fears or some wrong people or toxic situations from your life so that this new love can come into your life. Let me just pull one extra message for you, since I pulled it for everyone, for option number 3. Let's see. June romance for option number 3. Wow, door to personal healing and happiness. I definitely feel if you are single, you have moved away a lot of blocks, a lot of fears. You have worked hard on yourself, and that is why a new and happy relationship is coming towards you. And for others, a reunion or a restart is going to happen in a connection. Let's see your romance angels messages, and then we are going to look at these special messages. A past life relationship, you have known each other from your past life, so definitely someone from your past life or someone new which you have shared with a deep connection is coming towards you. Express your love. I definitely feel someone already likes you, or someone who will like you is coming towards you, and you need to, I feel some of you also like someone, you have a crush on someone, but you are not telling them because you feel like, oh my god, this is the reason, that is the reason. You are stopping yourself. I think in June you might get the confidence to go and share your love to them, and someone else could be doing it for you also. Let's see your special messages. Wow, miracles you need are coming. So, absolutely, you need a miracle in your love life because you feel hopeless, or you feel like it's impossible for your love life to change. But miracles are coming. Hope is the unseen light. Hope for the best. So, best things are going to happen. And you have sing songs of praise and let gratitude fill your days. I don't know why they are repeating. Maybe that's the collective energy. See, again they are repeating. I don't know why. For pile number 3. Pain is a greater teacher than joy. Yeah, some of you had been single and you have faced a lot of challenges, and you wonder why this was happening for you, because more than love, pain teaches us. So you are ready for a great miracle. You have learned a lot. You have become so strong, friends. And that is amazing. Great love is coming your way. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Do like and share, and let me know if this reading resonates with you, friends. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 4, this beautiful, the High Priestess, let us see how the month of June will be for your love life, your romance, what's going to happen. I feel this is a very intuitive, very creative month for you. You are going to connect with your emotions, your power, and yourself in a very new way. I think something I think you are very connected to divine, the divine. You are very connected with divine. That's beautiful. These are your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. Your cards are the moon. Wow. See, I told you you are very connected to goddess energy, the gods and the goddess energy. You are very connected to the goddess of moon this month. The Five of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Three of Cups. Oh my God, you have the 3-3 energy. Wow, the Devil. Oh my God. The Six of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles and the Caring Connections. How beautiful. And Victory, number 28. So I feel, friends, this month, if you are, let's talk about that. If you are single, I feel you will be meeting a lot of friends, or reuniting with your friends, or talking with them, making some new friends. This is a good time for you. Your emotions are high. If you are a woman, you will be attracting more female friends towards you who are like-minded, who share your views or your thoughts. And it's very beautiful. Some of you could be attracting, or some of you could reconnect with people from your past also, someone who has some people you lost touch with. I also feel if you are single, a very strong soulmate connection is coming your way, and you will feel an instant attraction towards them or an instant comfort with that person. Some of you may already know this person from your high school or from your children, like the primary school or colleges, or you are right now with them, like working with them, or if you don't even know them, you will have that familiar thing with them, like, yeah, you know them from a long time, you can trust them. If you are single, that is the energy, and some of you could already be feeling the coming of this person into your life since a very long time, because you feel that like something good is going to happen. You have that warmth, you feel that, yeah, someone is coming, some love is coming your way, you already feel it, and it is coming. This person could be a Capricorn, very strong Capricorn, or yeah, you both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Scorpio. This person could have a very strong Scorpio energy or a Capricorn energy. So they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be these sun signs. For others, I feel there is a person with whom there has been a lot of hurt and pain, someone you had left in the past. This person could be your twin flame, this person could be someone you share a deep, deep connection. I think this person is coming, or this situation is still going to affect you in the month of June. This person you cannot forget about. No matter how hard you tried, you can't get them out of your head, and neither this person can forget you. So it is like you are both, and there is also some temptation in this connection, like uh, you know it is a secret connection, you have not told anyone about this, or there is an age gap, or you both are married, but the attraction in this connection is very strong, very, it's not attraction, it's emotional connection also. So a lot is happening, and you feel like this person knows you in the most amazing way. It's like from head to toe, they know you, you know them. So it's a lot happening here. I also feel if there is no marriage, if you both are not married, I feel there could be a third party affecting this connection, like friends, family. They are trying to affect this connection, but I think you are going to come out of this and move forward in this connection. I think you are, some sort of a happy celebration is going to come your way, definitely. I feel for some of you, this person is married. and they have children, or they have, they have like divorced and they have kids, or maybe you have been divorced and you are looking for a person or a life partner or a new lover, and this is your person, but you feel like, it's challenging for you because you had been married once and you've been done there, been there, done that. So it's kind of a challenge for you. And this person, you know, you both are beautiful in some way. This connection is beautiful, but as beautiful, it is also, you feel a little, you feel like, can you trust them or not trust them? They are, is it too good to be true? That may happen with you, because I feel this person just knows you and you know them, and it's kind of hard to believe. I also feel you both want, in the month of June, you will be very secretive about your connections or your love life. You are not going to tell anyone what's happening, whether you are married, your friends, your family. I think you will be keeping your relationships to yourself, and just because you want to protect it, and you will want to spend some one-to-one intimate time with your partner, and I think it's going to be very nice for you. There is a lot of connections and beautiful friendships coming your way. I feel pile number 4, you are attracting not just love but beautiful friendships also. People who can love you, support you, more girlfriends. If even if you are a man, you could be attracting more guy friends or girlfriends also, or friends, who are good for you, who are supportive, who are nurturing. You can also be attracting a same sex relationship for some of you, and the passion, if you could already be, if you are already in a relationship, another one can come, another temptation can come, and you might have to choose. But I think there is a reason for this connection. A victory is going to come your way. Number 28 is important for you this month. I feel there is, you already, there, this could be a twin flame you are going to have a breakthrough with. For others, I definitely feel you are going to find success this month, especially in love and friendship. Something is going to make you smile, and you deserve it, friends. You had been very hardworking, you're persistent, you are very hardworking, and you are very learned. You are very wise, and focus on your intuition, friends. If you will know, when you meet a new person, you will know why they are here for you and why they are not. And if you are feeling a new friendship is coming, trust. Trust your vibes. Trust you know what's happening this month. Let's see your romance angel's message. Let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Wow. This is beautiful. I think some of you are trying to control your love life, and that is the problem. So relax, just flow with your emotions. Don't be so focused on controlling things. Let things be for now. Let them flow. Enjoy it. And give your relationship a chance. Woot woot, friends. Work on your partnership. Absolutely. Someone is coming towards you, and you may find it tough, or you may feel like it is a toxic connection, or there is too much sexual chemistry in this connection. But friends, it is there for a reason. You can figure out the reasons, or you can come back to Magic Wednesday Tarot. I'm here for you, friends. I can bring you out what's hidden, what's behind the moon. I can tell you that, so don't worry about it. Miracles you need are coming, friends. Absolutely, you need a miracle, and it's going to come your way. You just need to trust. For pile number 4, what is the message? Your prayers are heard and answered by divine signs. So absolutely what you're praying for is coming your way. For pile number 4, what is the message? Wow, hope is the unseen light, hope for the best. So definitely hope will be restored. Good news will bring money and luck for you. I feel definitely you are going to find not just love and friendship, but money also this month. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Friends, do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And let's see, I pulled an extra card for all the piles. Let's see if we can get one for you also. I didn't felt the need to pull it, but like I did it for all the piles, so let me just pull it for you also. Wow, attachment. See, someone is very attached to you and you need to understand why, you know. Number 5 is the energy of change. Anything else for pile number 4, angels? Wow, 3, abundance. So I definitely feel communications are coming your way, and there is going to be, you know, some sort of a positive attachment coming towards you, and money coming towards you, and communication. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Wens Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye.